Looking today at week-over-week shares outstanding changes among the universe of ETFs covered at ETF Channel. Largest inflow was seen in the iShares Dow Jones U.S. Home Construction Index Fund, which added 2.15 million shares, or a 3.7% increase week-over-week. Among largest underlying components of ITB and morning trading today, Lennar is up about 0.9% and D.R. Horton is higher by about 0.9%. And on a percentage change basis, the ETF with the largest increase in inflows was the iShares MSCI Emerging Markets EMEA Index Fund, which added 100,000 shares for a whopping 100% increase in outstanding shares. Among largest underlying components of EEME and morning trading today, Mobile Telesystems is up by about 2.7% and Meshal is up by about 3%. This is Sayok Marasa for PassFail.com, taking you behind the ticker.